Hey, what's up? This is Khalil Sediqi, more than 10 years experience in motion design and video editing. Today, you will learn video editing like a content creator or social media editing. I mean, you will be able to remove any type of background from your video without using chroma. Like this, like this, like this. You will be able to add particles on your video like this or like this. You will be able to add any type of titles like lower thirds, like overlay, or more titles. You will be able to add different video transitions like this or like this or like this. You will be able to create 2, 3, maybe 4 split screen for your social media. This is bonus for you. How to create or add any type of sound effects in your video. You will learn in this course 3 type of video aspect ratio size: portraits, landscape, or square social media videos. Don't forget, I will be happy to have you in this course. Thanks for joining us.